All right, so before we let you go and work with Premium Auto with Daniel, you know, the famous Daniel, we want to know how you found us and why we should hire you.
I've been aware of Premium Auto for quite a while. To be honest, I just lost my job and I was looking in the newspaper and I saw there was something that had pretty minimal requirements to work here, so I applied and I got the job.
Are we good? Are we filming?
You're on.
Okay, one more bam. Bam! What up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. So we've been getting consistent. I don't know if you guys noticed. If you have noticed, the videos are popping off more. I'm really excited to be back on camera, just getting our content out there. If you are excited, make sure you hit the like button because that helps get this video boosted up. And I think today is gonna be a real special vlog because we get a lot of you guys hitting us up all the time saying, hey, I want to come work for you. I want to come move from wherever I'm at. I got people in Australia saying, hey, I want to come work for you. And I'm like, dude, I don't know if you want to do that, but hey, if you want to, we can make it happen. Well, today, we're making that happen. We're making one fan's dream come true, and we're hiring them, we're bringing them on. So in this vlog today, you're going to meet this guy. I don't know if he has experience. I don't know what his knowledge of cars is. I really don't know anything about his skill sets, but he's good on camera from what I'm told. So with that said, we do have a new guy showing up. So watch the vlog, meet this guy, or help us critique him and see if he should be hired. I mean, we're going on kind of on a whim here to just say like, we're busy. I'll just say straight up, Premium is busier than ever. We're growing and we need hands. So I will say, truly, if you are looking for a job and you are a wrap installer, you do have customer service skills, or you do have shipping and logistics skills, hit us up. We are looking to hire more staff, and this is real, I'm serious. There's gonna be a link below. work@premiumautostyling.com is the email. Quick little plug on that, because that is legit. But before we get going here, got a Subi in there already. It has one of our windshield banners on, which shout out to everybody rocking our banners. We're gonna remove that banner. We're retiring his Premium Auto Styling OG satin black stealth banner, which I'll show you right now. We're gonna rip it off, and we're gonna put on a new one. There's the crew right there. Let's get in there. So that's that. Those are the new banners. They're printed. Before, what we were doing in the past was we were doing layered graphics. We were doing like a satin black base with a die cut decal over. We decided to go the printed route just for more durability and just cleanness of the look. I mean, it just looks great, right? Bam, black, red, black, white, and then custom. So we got a bunch of different options for you guys. If you guys want to pick one of these up, go to our website. It helps us out tremendously, supporting, repping the logo. I see them when I'm driving down the freeway. I'm like, what? There's our logo. I think it's so awesome. So anybody who's repping a premium banner right now, thank you guys for the support. This guy's had one on for a while. Neil's our buddy. Got the super clean SDI here. I'm gonna take this banner off. We're retiring it and putting a new one on. Let's get it done real quick. As far as removal, let me show you guys something. Not those cheap banners that you're finding on all those other sites. None of those cheap banners, because if you guys have dealt with the cheap banner, you know what it's about. You know how hard it is to remove. Everything we do is always done with high quality automotive grade wrapping film. So with that said,
high quality H2O.
It comes off easy.
Just so you guys get a little taste of how hectic Premium is, right now we're trying to do the banner before a new worker gets here, and the new project showed up. That's not the new project, that's Christian. So we're wrapping a Raptor. I'm not sure which color it's going, but we'll do a video on this soon. All right, so before we let you go and work with Premium Auto with Daniel, you know, the famous Daniel, we want to know how you found us and why we should hire you.
I've been aware of Premium Auto for quite a while. To be honest, I just lost my job and I was looking in the newspaper and I saw there was something that had pretty minimal requirements to work here, so I applied and I got the job.
Minimal requirements? Minimal requirements?
You're hired!
You're hired!
The door was closed! I thought
This guy's hired!
I thought it was locked.
We're hiring extra premium.
Oh my god. Well, you guys met the newest employee. He said he was looking for an additional income stream for to supplement the lack of YouTube revenue.
Yep. Found a listing on the newspaper.
On Craigslist?
Yeah, I applied and I got the job, so here I am.
You're hired.
I'm here.
You just killed our whole skit.
Really?
Yeah,
I really fucked it up.
Trying to get it, and then you just busted in. And I heard the door open. I'm like, stay in character, finish my job.
That's the kind of employee we want.
He's hired.
He's hired, dude.
You're fired.
My bad.
See, dude.
You're the new CEO.
Hang up, dude. My back hurts.
This guy's back's fucked. What's up, dude? You got a 335?
We did.
So,
Hell yeah.
that thing is dope, dude.
You ready for it?
Yeah.
I'm ready for it.
We're
Honestly,
talking
like
about
when you guys were talking about it, I'm like, I'm hoping he's talking about bringing it for a wrap.
Yeah, no, dude, we have like a lot of
We're gonna
plans.
I mean, it's basically bum stock
Yeah.
since the day it was born.
Yeah.
And we're just gonna full send the shit out of it. And then we'll bring it here, we'll do everything.
Hell yeah. Can't wait
Sick.
though. Again, I'm breathing again. I went a whole year without doing that.
You guys need to wash it anyway.
Yeah, let's get it washed while it's out there.
You want the key?
Yeah.
Oh, yes, please.
I still have shit in there, but it's fine.
No, it's just the exterior. So.
Okay.
Good. Just chilling. I bought the van. Been
I
chilling
know.
with that.
Sabrina like vicariously lives through your
It's dope,
Instagram.
dude.
She loves all like the shit you guys go to. Like, she's always. Did you see what they're doing now?
Come with us, dude. You guys are welcome to go with us. We're going to Big Bear in 2 weeks.
Let's
Camping
go.
out
You just there?
Yeah, dude, it's fucking close for us. You know what I
Yeah,
mean? Like
that's
it's
true.
for you guys, it's a 2-hour drive.
3 hour.
So for me, dude, it's honestly a 20-minute drive up the hill.
All right, so I got out there real quick as they're talking, behind the scenes stuff. But TJ's car is getting washed and Daniel's car is getting washed, or Daniel's car's already washed. So I'll get a couple shots of that and then I'll start disassembling the car. So how does it feel to see something you designed on another person's car? I know you've seen plenty of it before, but it's Daniel's, it's your boys. How's it feel? Like, you did all that.
Feels good. It's really cool because like 5 years ago when I first started, like when I first came to Daniel to do anything, and I remember just like working, like he was helping me design certain things on my car for coloring, and for years later for me to have something that I designed and have it put on his car, it's like a cool little like flip in a weird way. It's weird. It still hasn't really hit me yet that like people are running around with this on their car and it's something that like we designed, but it's dope to see it in person. It's cool to see more and more of them a lot, but it hasn't really like hit me yet. Like, oh, until I see one on the road that isn't like a friend of mine, so I would like run into someone who has a wing or the lip or whatever on their car, that's when I'll be like I don't know that person, but they got it because they thought it looked cool. That's when I think it will hit me.
There's someone around here.
Really?
Yeah, it's I don't know, it's like a red. It's a red Supra. He has the wing.
Dude, there's a lot. There's a lot of people with 300 sit on their Supras, but I haven't been out much because of COVID. But
You guys killed it, man.
eventually.
You guys killed it.
Remember those days, those L's, I couldn't sleep right now. I get paid, vacay, I'm staying B-side. Breaking the blues over steak, I gotta eat right.
All right, brother. What are you guys about to do?
So we're gonna disassemble this thing and get it ready. There are a few portions of the car that are like prone to breaking every time you take it off. So I just want to make sure that no one else breaks it but me, so I'm not mad at anyone. I think I'll be able to do it if Calvin decides to show up today and actually help out a little bit. So if we're able to accomplish that, we'll get those off and then we'll get out of your guys' hair.
You know what color you're going with yet?
Probably pink.
Nice. Pink?
Yeah.
I like it. Hot pink or light pink? Or
Your show.
Bubblegum pink.
My man.
Kids don't know of me. Scary thoughts, I got scary thoughts.
You're doing good, man. You're doing good.
Dude,
Listen, bro,
probably the best
keep
you've ever
working
seen.
hard every day. Keep doing what you're doing. And you like these Supras here.
Yeah.
I'll buy myself another one.
Oh.
And you can work on it.
Oh, wow. So generous, dude.
Lost control, now I'm taking charge. Breaking bills, friends breaking off. Bye.
All right, man. You've been working for Premium for about an hour. Give me an update.
Still no lunch break.
Still no lunch break. Daniel keeps grabbing my ass as he walks by. I don't know if he does that with all of his employees.
Does that with everyone.
Does that with everyone?
Everyone.
So that's something I have to get used to.
Yeah, 100%. And you can't sue because in the office you signed that paperwork in small letters and it said he cannot be sued.
So that's why he didn't let me grab my glasses during that contract signing.
Yeah.
Don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please get from around me. Just me, myself, and I'm my favorite threesome. The cars I drive by, I never lease.
I just lost that clip. Delivery for me.
Oh, round 2?
He's fucking dude.
Is that the second one you've lost?
No, I just found it.
Well, you lost one already?
Yes, I've lost one.
Yo. I have no choice but to tell Daniel.
No. They say if you can't beat them, then you join them. No. That's no option, I don't join, I always beat them. I was fake, you had to find me. Now I'm on beat, skating like I'm grinding. L hit me, said it's all about the timing. If you want the vision, get to spinning. My mama told me trust in God, it's never limits.
Alright guys, that's Daniel working on this car.
Wow, Daniel!
Wow, dude, he goes, yo, film me taking this bolt off.
Hey,
That's all he said. That's it.
Look at this dude, he's a professional.
He said, let me take
He's
my
just
watch
behind
off.
the camera.
He said, let me take my watch
He's
off.
just behind the camera, don't worry about it.
You will not see him take a car part off.
Don't worry about it, sweetheart.
Yo, save this,
Wait,
because
no,
this is the
Raptors
only
on
clip
car.
you ever get of him working.
You know what?
I don't need that energy around me. I just need sun, you're so cloudy. I wake up good, you're so grouchy. Please
Wait, what I just missed right now?
He's coming for a rap day.
So,
He's officially hired.
hey, you said it on camera.
TJ rapping?
Yeah, right, dude.
No faith in your boy?
That's
Can't even put on a sticker.
I watched this roof rap video.
I've done it.
LOL?
Hey, you know what's funny about that?
LOL?
We were wrapping the Lexus, and like he put his palm like this. So
You see the handprint?
the handprint's been in there for 5 years.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's robbing.
Whoa. Hey.
I ordered a large
Hey.
A-zone.
Hey, it's your first day working here, man. You don't get a lunch.
Oh. But I
Breaks at
do.
6.
Oh, they forgot your order.
Oh, the new guy's already back talking.
Yo, what are you doing? What's going on
Let
here?
it go till the end of the weekend.
End of the weekend?
Yeah, so
TJ.
TJ's gonna do a giveaway on his Instagram.
Yeah.
So we're
we're
gonna
gonna
give
say
away-
whoever guesses the exact color. I was also gonna put like they have to choose 3M Avery, but no one really knows that.
Right, we'll narrow it down to
So like the exact wrap color, and whoever guesses it will win a.
it's
gift
gonna be
card.
dope. It's a dope color. So guess dope colors.
Are you thinking about wrapping this?
I want to do mine. Oh, I 100% want to do mine. I'm just waiting for the SOS to clear me out on that my paint's, dried.
Fair
But
enough.
if
Fair
it's
enough.
dry, I'll wrap. But yours is gonna look sick. The color you chose, I'm not gonna lie, it's not gonna disappoint. It's gonna look good. So I'm excited for it.
All right, guys. Well,
If you haven't already, check out Get it. So we got TJ Hunt. Obviously, you guys know him. A lot of you guys subscribe to his channel, but if you don't, go give him a follow. Support your boy, small creator,
at
the new
Premium.
employee here at Premium. Good day, always good vibes. Got to chill with the crew. Got to hang out with some of the homies and just hang out, take apart the Supra. It was super fun. In this video, Supra fun. It was super
Wait, the car's
fun.
not cooking apart yet.
It's basically apart. I mean, you guys see, you know how deep we go as far as taking cars apart. We got the body kit off. We still have to do headlights, bumpers, lip, mirrors. Really, there's still a lot to do on this, but as far as the day goes right now with TJ, our new employee, he's already cut out. I mean, he got tired, so I'm gonna cut him loose early. He'll probably come back tomorrow. Just kidding. But
Dude, I've been working here for 4 years and I don't get to go home early. Bro.
that's wild.
Fuck, you only pulling half days or what?
When you're as good as me, and you get all that work done that normally takes previous employees a day, I earned the day off. So I did what I needed to do. I got a few butt grabs from a certain someone. That's all I can handle for today.
I think you only love me cause I'm poppin'. This a layup, this a rebound, then it's driving. Tyson with the fade, not the hair, my hands rockin'.